Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Gemini jets, Delta Airlines Boeing 757-200 with winglets. Delta doesn't have it without winglets, so here we have, to start off the box, made for collectors by collectors, Gemini jets, the aircraft, and a Delta symbol. Delta Sky Team Boeing 757-200 TM 1/400 scale die-cast model aircraft, and look inside right there. The Boeing 757-200 TM 1/400 scale die-cast model, item number GWDAL 1692, Gemini jets. Adult collectible model. Warning: contains small parts not suitable for children under 14 years of age. Gemini jets again. And same on this side. 1/400 scale die-cast model. Highly collectible, superior quality, realistic metal landing gear, detailed printed graphics, as real as it gets features in the Gemini jets. And look inside. I don't know if you can read that. Maybe now. But this plane was in the Delta livery. The aircraft type is Boeing 757-251W, construction number 26498, line number 971, registration November 551, November Whiskey, engines 2 PW or Pratt & Whitney PW 2037s. The first flight was June 19th, 2001. Delivery date, the 1st of May, the 1st of May 2009. Doesn't make much sense, but empty weight, it weighs 127,810 pounds, cruising speed 550 miles per hour. The range is 4,000 miles, and seating is 200 in a mixed class and 228 with high density. So, because you probably can't read that. So now I will unbox the model. So here's what the model looks like with just the model now. So here, to start off the aircraft, we have the nose cone, the cockpit windows, the door, the Sky Team livery or logo, the Delta. Right here, we have a antenna right here, a light. We have the nose gear, windows all throughout here. The second door, more windows. Underneath the aircraft, there's the Delta logo. We have the engines. Moving down, we have the overwing exits. We go up the engine to the fuel tanks and the red light and the wingtip. So then, going back a bit farther, we will see the Wi-Fi dome, more windows, the American flag, November 551, November Whiskey, a empty window, I guess, and the back door. One more antenna, and we go up to the vertical stabilizer, the rudder, the elevator, and horizontal stabilizer. Going back farther, we have the APU exhaust, and so that's what the plane looks like. On the other side, you can see it looks the same. So now, I guess that should be the unboxing of the Delta Airlines Boeing 757 made by Gemini jets. Thank you for watching the second unboxing I guess, and see you in the next unboxing.